Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete old Instagram account without password, email and phone number. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead first access your Instagram for the matter. So once you have access to Instagram, you will simply try to follow the same measures, but it will ask for you to verify your account. That will send you the code, and once you have entered that, then you will be able to delete it. But since you do not have access for any of the information that the code will go to, you can go to this search bar of yours and search your account's name. So let's say this is the particular account of yours, previous accounts that you want to delete. You don't want to keep it. Then what you have to do, you have to make a reason for Instagram to remove it for you on its own. For that, tap on three dot icon beside, tap on this report, and now you have to choose, right, who do you want to report something about this account. Go ahead, tap on it, and then you'll have to choose, right, so choose a reason, and the choose reason that they are impersonating something, and then they had to be you. Choose the me option among that, and then you will write a report to Instagram, and then once you have submitted that, then they will be able to remove it for you because you have sent that report for yourself. So that is what you can do to file a report regarding your previous account, and that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.